If you're planning to spend a day at Yokohama Hakkeijima Sea Paradise, this video is for you. Let's take a look at its world-famous Aqua Museum, Omi Farm, and Fury Eye Lagoon. First up, the Aqua Museum. Tickets cost 5,700 yen for adults. This roughly equates to $38 for adults and up to $25 for kids. There are fish literally everywhere. The museum is home to over 120,000 marine creatures. This is one of the largest aquariums in Japan, and it's as stunning on the outside as it is on the inside. Next up is Fury Eye Lagoon, where you can get close to exotic birds and animals such as pelicans, flamingos, capybaras, and more. A little further down, we have an interactive unit with an otter enclosure to feed and play with them. The museum is huge, and it takes a while to cover every exhibit. But if you got a day and the time, it's a wonderful place to visit. We're taking a stroll along the pier to Omi Farm, where we can learn more about marine life and even catch our own fish and cook them. Here's a random tank of jellyfish I came across. There's a lot to cover. This pier goes on, and there's something to look at in every direction. It only takes around an hour from Tokyo tourist destinations like Asakusa, Shinjuku, and the Tokyo Station area, and only around half an hour from the Yokohama Bay area, Kamakura, or Inashima. The best part is this place is not as crowded as normal, and today was a good day to get in and explore the aqua park. The waterfront views here are unbeatable, perfect for relaxing after a day of marine adventures. Plus, the restaurants serve up fresh seafood that's too good to resist. Since its opening on May 8, 1993, local people from the metropolitan area, and more recently foreign visitors, have flocked to Yokohama Hakkeijima Sea Paradise. Visitors can enjoy a variety of restaurants such as Shiosai Cuisine Yasuke, where you can eat seafood, and Cobra Cafe, where you can have cute parfaits with dolphin motifs. Heading back to Fury Eye Lagoon, we get to see and play with a few dolphins. They're so adorable, but remember to carry an umbrella or raincoat because they will splash water on you. Here's a penguin enclosure right next to the sea lions. Though they look cute and cuddly, they are quite strong and can take down an average-sized human easily. Well, that was fun. Until the next one, sayonara.